These holds, we'll go ahead and get the first race rolling here in a couple of minutes. Come on back, please.
Okay, we're heading to the starting line to begin the race.
That's us. Oh, we're in every race.
So we're coming into the starting line to get into position with the rest of these boats to begin a race here shortly.
They're good? Not tight. Ease it up.
Jockeying for position. Starting line is over there between the bow of that boat and that movement.
4 minutes to the start.
4 minutes to the start.
4 minutes.
Prepare to tap. Ready. Tacking. Ready. And go.
Nice job.
Ease the jib.
Yep, right.
Perfect. This is perfect. The race is about to start, so everybody pay attention. So we can't cross the line until they start us, so we want to be ready to go.
What just gave?
Oh, what was there?
Hey, is that a go? Is a red flag a go?
Have to start. We're in it. Okay.
We're in it.
We got.
The race is on.
Pull it. Sheet in the jib. Sheet in jib. Pull it in. More. Right there. Lock it in. Got to get in front of him or he's going to take our wind.
Yep.
No, that's not left side.
No, I see it over there.
I know
the
where
yellow
it's
one.
at.
You know where it's at?
Where it's at.
Okay, all right.
I see it.
All right, I'm going to attack and get a good position.
Coming
Dun,
for
dun,
you.
dun, 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 dun.
So, good.
Sheet in.
Good job, good job.
Sheet in.
We got some wind.
Got it. Pull it in. Right, just like that. It's beautiful. Good job.
Good job. So they're going right here.
They think they are.
Yep, they're going to have to.
They have to do a couple of things.
You guys are all tacking over early. They save us attack.
Okay, prepare to tack. Ready. Tacking.
And
Now.
full release, full release. Nice, nice job.
Lock it in. Lock it in.
Okay, we're getting wind now. The boat's heeling. Don't be afraid. It's supposed to do that.
Get on the high side. You stay on the jib. Over there on that side. You need to get on the high side.
This side?
Yep, yep. Get over there.
Where's our mark?
Good wind. 1 o'clock.
We're going to stay right on this thing.
Yep. Stay here. We shouldn't have to tack.
See it. I got it. Alright, right there. I see it. We're ahead of them.
See what just happened?
Yep.
Give us a little
Oh,
push
yeah.
there. There we go. There you go.
Oh.
Nice. That's normal. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Hey, he's going the wrong way. Oh, no.
he made it.
He made it. Damn it.
Okay.
Ow.
Jib on the left side. I want you to be ready to ease that. Get ready to ease that jib.
Me?
Yes, we're going to ease the jib.
I'm not going to take it out. Just ease it a little bit when he tells
Not
you.
yet.
Not yet.
Just a little bit.
Not yet.
Just yet.
When he tells me, just a little bit. When I tell you.
All right. We're in good shape. At least see if we can pass these guys.
Oh, they're going back now?
That's the course. It's just a one shot.
We have to pass this
We
boat.
have to pass this yellow marker first.
If we pass this boat, we're in first place.
Tell me where's the yellow? There it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good, good.
Ease the jib.
Nice job, nice job. Now let's catch these guys. Let's go get them.
Okay, so when we go around the buoy, you're going to be sheeting that thing in. So make sure that you have at least 2 wraps on there.
Okay, coming around your buoy.
Pull on that jib now. Pull it in. Pull it in. Pull it in.
Go get it off that corner.
Yep.
Careful, hang on.
Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Keep on going, pull it in. Lock it off. There you go. That's it.
Good job.
Lots of wind.
Lock that in.
We are flying now.
We got wind now.
Station order was Coast Guard first.
Oh, Coast Guard.
Navy, Army, Marine.
What are we in?
Second place.
Sea Cadets, Navy, Army, Marine, third. Over. That's correct.
Coast Guard, Sea Cadets, Navy, Army.
Right on, guys. Right on.
Right on. Yeah, good job. Good job.